Morning, you guys. So I'm here to do Artsy Thursday, and today we are going to make spring flowers with baby feet. So keep on watching and you'll see how to do it. So here's what you'll need. You'll need paint, paper, wipies to wipe baby's feet, and your baby. So here I am prepping the paper over a book with the tissue so we don't mess up the book. And I am going to use the yellow paint to paint baby's foot. And now we take baby's foot and the yellow paint and we apply it on the bottom of baby's feet, and just like so. And the toes, don't forget the toes. And then I am going to push baby's feet up against the paper. Hold it for a couple minutes, and there you go. One footprint. Afterward, I will use a wipe to wipe off the baby's foot. And the baby will move their foot as Lila did here, but that's okay. And clean off their feet. And that is just the top part of our flowers. And then I'm going to take some green paint and add on to it. The leaves, as I'm doing here. And you can do these, of course, in any color you want. I chose yellow because, you know, it's spring. And add some details. You can add more footprints if you want, or you can just make 2 or 1, however you'd like, but that is the finished product. And see, this is it after it's done. That's it. Hope you enjoyed.